number of people, including teachers, who are planning to do KCSE examinations for candidates in rooms that they have organized elsewhere. And I think this will basically be my last warning shot. If they intend to be bold enough to proceed with this, then you will see that we shall arrest them and throw them into prison until after the exam is completed. We are not going to negotiate with the future of our children. And as I warn these people, I would like the children who are going to take the exams starting Friday to feel extremely free and relaxed without oppression, because they are doing this exam under some of the most difficult circumstances, background of which some of them were out of school for over 7 months with issues of cheating. And like I've said, we are watching quite a number of centers. Please, as you go to collect your examinations, what you must do as a center manager is to confirm that you are carrying the right exam and you are carrying the right content in the correct numbers. Don't just go and pick an examination packet like I've seen many of them doing during the primary school exercise, so that you don't go and start saying, oh, this is not there. You should have said that it is not there when you are doing the collection. And with regards to numbers of papers inside, don't waste our time, because we have done everything possible where every object that we are carrying has been weighed to the last page. So don't come and tell us that there are 20 pages missing here. Where you have taken them, get them back from there and make sure the children get their rights. The government of the Republic of Kenya has addressed fully the safety of our teachers during the marking process. The marking process shall continue because our teachers are actually the best in the world. They love their work. Should there be an incident that requires some attention because of any iota of negligence, we shall deal with it very swiftly as it comes. So nobody should think that we would want to take our teachers together to go somewhere like sheep or cows to die of COVID. As we sit here, there are some teachers who are planning. They have made rooms where they have trained their teachers to do exams and filter back to the children. So the marking process must be as clean as Caesar's wife. And there is no argument about that. My concern as the head of the sector is to ensure that the teacher is comfortable, well-fed, well-pampered, medical care available, because COVID can catch you anywhere, even including where you are standing. So that one should be very, very clear. And we have no intention to go that way.